In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a clickable link in Weebly. Creating links on your website is a crucial aspect of web design, allowing you to guide your visitors seamlessly and ensure they have easy access to more information, external resources, or any other important content. Now, let's dive in and explore how you can incorporate clickable links into your Weebly site effortlessly. First, you'll want to head over to your Weebly site editor. Once there, decide on the element you wish to transform into a clickable link. This could be anything from text, buttons, images, or any other element present on your page. The versatility offered by Weebly allows considerable freedom when making different kinds of website links. Now, if you've chosen a text element, your next step is to highlight the portion of text you want to convert into a clickable link. This ensures that anyone visiting your website will be able to click on this specific text and be redirected or connected to your designated link. Once your text is highlighted, direct your attention to the formatting options that appear. Among these, you'll notice a chain link icon. Clicking on this icon will prompt a menu where you can specify what this link will connect to. You'll be glad to know that Weebly provides several linking options. Whether you would like the link to direct visitors to an external website, a specific page within your site, a phone number, an email address, or even a file for download, you're empowered to choose the option that best fits the purpose of the link. After selecting your desired link type, you will need to set it up accordingly. For example, if you opt to link to an external website, you'll need the URL ready for input. For emails and phone numbers, you'll need the respective contact details. It's as simple as that, and Weebly makes it straightforward to implement. As soon as you've finalized your selection, you'll notice a subtle change in the appearance of your selected text or element, indicating that it is now a clickable link. The formatting change is not just aesthetic. It also provides a visual cue to your website visitors that they can click this link for more information or to take another desired action. And there you have it. You've successfully created a clickable link on your Weebly site in just a few simple steps. Remember, links are a powerful tool for guiding and engaging your audience, so use them wisely. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy website building!